got here? Huh?
Porsche rims?
Yeah, because you can put Porsche on a you can put. Oh, so it's gonna give you some ideas now?
No.
You crazy? That shit kind of sick.
Ain't no goddamn Porsche. It's goddamn good.
No, but I wonder what kind of engines up in there. That shit's sick. What we got here? What we got here? I like the little mesh that cover the lights. Better take some notes. The roof. Hey. Look at that exhaust. It's cold as. What kind of exhaust is that? Genuine. Is this an original? That's a, if this is the original, this is worth some money. If this is the original, it's worth some money. I think it's an 11 window. See? Yeah. See? You get your bug with some white walls and them hubcaps, Crystal. You hear me? Would you drive it if it looked like that one?
I don't mind the white walls. It depends on the color. I crashed my car.
Oh, you did? What?
The radio on the golf compartment.
Look at that stern wheel.
Yeah, that's a classic steering wheel. Actually, classic one has 3 things.
That stern wheel nice as hell. Hold on a second. This thing looks nice. You got your doorknob. You got your doorknob shifter. You said what? Probably from like a little button or some shit. Only for them to know. Man, that bug got some ugly seats. What is this, a Suburban right here? I think this is a Suburban, old school Suburban. It is a Chevrolet Suburban, like I said. You knew it was a Suburban. What year? Don't know, but I know it's a Suburban though. That's all I know. Shelby right here.
No, he's right there.
That wood stern wheel. You don't get no greater than this right here. I like, what is that? That's an Impala right there. I like that big window, no pillar. Bugs now. Crystal, look at these rims. Don't know me getting too close to the cars now. Hey, look at damn. He made that shit look freaking. Hey, that was different.
Sorry.
That was different. Man, so I really like this green one. The color, not the wheels. The color looks nice. It's a nice color. It's a whole lot. red one?
Back in the day.
Hey, what you call it? What's this? Your uncle or whatever got the same? You got the same Nova right there parked right there in the front yard. It's the same one. It's the same Nova as that she got. Oh, the Woody.
Yes.
Yeah.